National Chemical Laboratory, or NCL, in Pune, is one of India's premier research institutes. Started on 3rd January 1950, this CSIR laboratory has carved a global niche for itself. Here, students and scientists work on scientifically challenging and technologically important advances. At NCL, a deep understanding of fundamental science drives discovery and innovations to address the biggest challenges that face mankind today: water, energy, health, and food. NCL is internationally known for its path-breaking contributions, scientific research in chemical sciences, life sciences, and engineering, thereby protecting its intellectual rights, guided by a burning desire to advance knowledge and to apply chemical science for the good of the people. Today, NCL continues its 6-decade-old distinguished tradition of excellence, working on cutting-edge science and engineering, supported by state-of-the-art modern facilities. At NCL, dedicated scientists and students can confidently explore the unknown frontiers of their domains, forge an exciting career, and realize their potential. NCL provides students with the opportunity to work with India's leading scientists and hone their abilities through high-quality research that contributes to the welfare of the nation by maximizing economic, societal, and environmental benefits.
National Chemical Laboratory, NCL, is a part of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and therefore there is a very special flavor to the research that is done in NCL. Unlike academic institutions or universities where blue sky research is done, here you will find that the research is done on problems that need to be solved, not just problems that can be solved. And therefore there is a special flavor to the research where you will invariably find that many times young students end up not only writing research papers but also accompanying patents with that. That never happens in a university because you are always looking at ideas that are important from the point of view of solving problems. The laboratory has an outstanding track record of doing scientific research. You know, after Nobel Prize, the highest honor that a scientist can get is Fellowship of Royal Society. And I'm very proud to say that the research work done right in this laboratory where I'm sitting has been worthy of an award of a Fellowship of Royal Society. The next honor, which is equally important, is Foreign Fellowship of US National Academy of Science. Sometimes people get Nobel Prize first and this afterwards. And I'm very happy to say that the work done in this research laboratory by our students has also got that award.
There are several different fields of research in important areas where NCL has had a significant global impact. NCL's research spans the entire gamut of chemical and allied sciences. In addition, NCL has also been committed to developing interdisciplinary research themes that dissolves various traditional boundaries and brings chemists, physicists, and engineers together to produce groundbreaking science and technology. These can be noted from NCL's business site, www.ncl-india.org. Students working in such a collaborative environment receive wide exposure, not just to science and technology, but also to important issues such as intellectual property. Students with new, original ideas are given opportunities to enter into entrepreneurship using NCL's incubation model. The depth and breadth of NCL's training makes our PhDs highly sought after, both in academia and in industry. In fact, some of India's most distinguished scientists have done their PhDs at NCL.
I'm currently an assistant professor in the Bioengineering Department at the University of California, San Diego. I did my master's in polymer science at Wadia College, Pune. I came often to check to visit the library, and also we did some master's project at NCL. That made me to come back and do a PhD in NCL. In fact, I had offers from Cambridge when I decided to stay back in NCL and do PhD, which I do not regret. I really enjoyed my stay in NCL. I did a very good thesis. I learned a lot. I got trained in a lot of equipments, and I also got a lot of experience how to lead and how to be independent. Really, I had a wonderful time.
NCL has the most sophisticated equipment required for cutting-edge research in all fields. In fact, NCL has often been the pioneering laboratory in India in acquiring the latest instruments and developing scientific infrastructure. NCL